Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. We are in Bottom New Hope, Trelawney, and we actually came into the community to do a drop-off of a mattress for Miss Brown. It's the same community, however, you know, some of our community members are stopping us because they are in need of help. So we're heading up now by a gentleman by the name of Scotty, who stopped us and wants to talk to us, you know, about the effects of Hurricane Mellissa on his house, his farm, his livelihood. So please do remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video, you will be updated. Mr. Scotty.
Hello, Mr.
Morning, how you do?
Good morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, how you doing?
Well, me better blow, but me mash up, man, mash up. Then make me feel desperate as I'm struggling like a man.
Yes, talk to me now and tell you what go on with you. Talk to me first about your house.
See there, so help man, it blow off and me a struggle. Want back some lumber, some zinc, nail, rebuild back. That's me a wait up.
Yeah, wait up.
Yeah.
Okay, make we see what it look like there.
Me farm here.
To say your farm?
Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah, reap though.
Huh?
Yeah, check if you beer.
Yeah, but not in it, Brazil. Not in there.
Everything mash up.
Okay.
Oh.
So you going right back up, so everything the panny back.
Oh no.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Mash up, man. As a struggling little man. Yeah. Mash up.
Oh wow.
Mash up, me brother Zelly and Miss Zelly.
Yeah.
Come in all place, man. Come look with me stick.
Okay.
See there.
Everybody take off boat, we not take off none. So you're going in.
I'm practice.
Where you boat going?
Yeah, man, come in your place, man.
Oh, okay.
Come see it and then be. If me can't get actually help, I want to do something to help me.
Oh.
So I stay.
This blow off completely.
Yeah, sister.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
Lord. Oh, so you basically out of door in this part.
Yeah, man.
This side never wet.
Yeah, man.
It wet, but so the roof come off up here so too?
Yeah. See there.
Oh. Yeah. So it's the ceiling make we not see it so good.
I know me I live careless, me a struggle.
What's a hurricane?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Everybody knows a hurricane.
And I hurricane.
Yeah, we understand.
Yeah.
So you want help if anybody can help you put on back your roof.
Yeah, my friend. Yeah.
Yes, so all the lumber gone.
Yeah, man.
And the zinc.
Yeah.
This room did have Solitex to ceiling?
No.
Recipes or any no ceiling?
Them did get bad. This is a struggle. They do that the side and me not plan to do this side.
Oh, you never get around to it?
Right. I can farm me away pan, you know. Yeah, and see it dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one farm you have right here, so you go all the way up the top there, so?
back up, so.
And I just yam did in the yellow yam?
Cane, planting, banana. Yeah.
So weird. Oh, okay. So what you do now that the farm is done and I hit you normally do, what you do at daytime and you know how you keep yourself occupied, what you do?
I mean,
you ain't same way.
Yeah, if somebody a little one good friend like if you do and call me go.
Yeah. So you have people calling now, we have them farm still up?
Yeah, man. No. Everybody meet it. Everybody get the mash up.
Oh, so them a call you maybe if you go through it and look what going on with it?
No, they don't call me, I know.
Right.
Dead. For them dead too.
Right, so you don't get no call since Hurricane Mellissa for going on no farm?
No, sis.
Because everybody farm down?
No, my friend. Yeah. Everybody down. So we left desperate and don't know if it start again. So we need some help.
Okay.
Want some help. Want some help, Zelly boy. And me, Miss Zelly.
Okay.
See, I'm a mattress, me and wet up pants. Me alone, me need get for something.
But it's Sunday, funny now, saying I must dry.
He dry back.
What you do when you dry, you lean up here?
So me I go do, man. me I would. But out there around this time,
yeah.
You understand?
I know.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Me not shame to make no come in. Because see condition.
Okay.
And I know the reality. Although she's struggling, cause although some people worse.
Yeah, some people worse.
Some people condition worse. But
Yeah.
that's my own me I talk about.
Yes, yes. All
I
right.
need some help, man. I'm gonna play big like and boasty like. Yeah.
So you have a phone?
Yeah, man, me have a phone, but me even the panel service, you run out of charge. Yeah, for true, he come.
Oh, okay. And you have to go, you'd have to pay for charge it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, me have a good touch screen.
So tell me your number now.
You know, so me need have in my head neither.
Oh,
No, say,
Lord.
Scott.
You have in a book?
In a
Me not
phone.
set it down neither in my phone.
All right, no
In my
problem.
phone it.
Alright. If anybody wish to donate, then we
Me I go get you and get you off.
Yes.
can always still.
Yeah, man. But me I go say, me I go say.
So why right name?
Me? Kandal, me name, man.
Kendall Williams.
Yeah, man.
Kandal.
Me think but you know must know still.
You know you as Scotty.
Hey, you don't know me as Kandal?
No.
I you know remember?
No, man, I never know such a thing.
C-A-N-D-A-L.
Oh,
Kendall. Oh.
Kendall.
C-O.
Oh, Kendall.
Kandal.
Kandal.
Oh, okay.
Not A. Me I say put A in a mini man.
Oh, so Kandal Williams.
W-I-L-L-I-A-M-S.
Oh, okay.
Kendall Williams.
Yes.
Dog salt maybe.
You're not dance, man.
You can spell your name.
Yeah.
If you get your name from Bula, you would eat it. Answer me, man. If you get your name from Bula, you would eat it. What make? Why?
I mean eat it. Me not gonna know why.
They will eat people birthday cake with their name on it.
Yeah, you okay?
It's for you one.
All right.
Yes. If you name birthday, the party of you, sir.
So you have to eat it. All right, guys. All right, guys. So, we start by Mascotty Kandal Williams, and he has shared his story. You know, the effects that Beryl had on his house and on his farm and his livelihood somewhat, because this is predominantly a farming area. So with the farms being down, I know the farmers are frustrated now. Like he said, he doesn't know where to start. And I know many persons maybe many persons may be in the same position, just don't know what to do. So if there's any way that you're able to help, and like I like to say, it doesn't matter how small. Hi, you have a visitor. It doesn't matter how. It doesn't matter.
Josie. Dear man. So you come to put animal roof now.
Hey, Josie, we ready right now, man.
Them there, so just get to work.
All right, so guys, if there's any way in which you're able to help Mr. Scotty, please reach out to us. We wanted him to state his number. He doesn't remember it right now, and the phone is down because we have no electricity in the area still, and we don't have any. Well, I think the phones are up and running. But he doesn't have the phone up and running. So reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, and you can render any assistance that you are able to. So until next time, this is Roy in the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
And show me a show. You see,
And I show you, so we had then call upon my one.
you see a good friend. Whereas baby, whereas baby. But me if you say me get like a child, man.
Yeah.
That's the phone, man.
Me have a child.
Yeah, and when you chat.
Nobody I call you. Which one?
Me have somebody I call me, man.
Oh,
So them I
okay.
call you now?
Goodly. Yeah, man. We have to laugh. We have to laugh. Look how things bad. We have to laugh. I don't want to joke with one either.
So when you charge up the phone, you make we get the number.
Yeah, Miss Zelly. Yes.
Yes.
That's
Alright.
something I go do. I'm like so gracious and thanks.
Yes, man.
If me could have get
Yeah.
the assistant. I mean need it. Yeah.
Alright.
That's trouble.
So which part you cook now, like how your kitchen blow down?
Me I want to 2 burner there anyway.
Or an open part?
Around here, some have it.
Oh, okay.
I have it up around the second. Even in my living room, for say, I in the living room where I use.
You could have get one extra section for going if I did one room, you have master, I'm sorry for you. That make them rain and
all right, jelly boy, me not fret. Me not fret.
Alright.
Fret and word more. Yeah, man, trust me.
Alright, guys, blessings. Blessings.
And respect. And respect.
Just close it, you know?
Respect.